Today, I'm going to be talking to you about green Karat modified gas.
Are you ready?
Okay, before I start today's video, I just want to say a massive thank you to you absolute legends. You've now got me over 300 subscribers. This is beautiful news, and it just shows me that people are actually interested in what I'm doing, and I haven't got the face that only a mother could love. So this is perfect. So, green Karat modified gas. This is a cross of first class funk and grape gasoline, and it's coming in at £10 a gram, or if I use my quick maths MAFFS, that'll be £100 for 10 grams. Now, this has been around for a while, but I haven't been able to get it because I've only been a prescribed patient for 6 months and it hasn't been around prior to this. So this is my first time trying it. Now, when it was around before, this was £8.50 per gram. For some reason or other, they've decided to put the price up slightly, and it is now £10 a gram. A lot of medical patients aren't a fan of the £10 a gram strains, but obviously people are going to buy them regardless of whether you like it or not, and people are going to want to see reviews, so this is why I'm here. Now, before I go balls deep, I will just say, I know I sound like I've smoked 30 woodbines, but I'm getting over a serious case of the man flu. Please drop your comments of sympathy below. Any sympathy is accepted. Men of the world will sympathise, women of the world will laugh, but it is what it is. Now, looking at the terpene breakdown of this one, which I shall add over here somewhere, we are looking at a nice blend of limonene, caryophyllene, farnesene, linalool and myrcene. This will be why it's very good for me for bedtime. Sleep, pain relief, appetite, not a problem with this strain. Just when I think I'm ready to go to bed, I'm diving in the fridge or across the road at Lidl's, getting myself packets of sweets and all of the munchies. So, not ideal before bedtime, but that said, as soon as my head hits the pillow, I'm gone. See you later, mate. So yeah, if sleep is an issue for you, then I can 100% recommend this one to help you drift off. No worries. Now, when it comes to the smell of this one, obviously the man flu is holding back the full potential smells, but it is a really gassy strain. Not the gassiest one I've had on medical, but you can tell where the name modified gas comes from. It's got that sort of rich, fuely sort of smell to it, which you would typically get off an OG Kush, that sort of vibe. Never tried the first class funk before, so I can't say as to how much that is included in the smell. But the grape gasoline, there is a fruity sort of smell there to it, along with the gas. But that being said, everyone's going to get a different nose blend off it, off the old terpenes. So, and especially mine are fucked at the moment, so it is what it is. So for the £10 a gram, am I happy with it? I'm going to say yes. For the quality of sleep I get, for the pain relief I get, and for the smell and taste of it, this one for me, I am going to say is worth £10 a gram. Now, I know not everyone's going to agree with that. I'm going to have people in the comments like, it's not worth £10 a gram. But when you're a first-time patient, you need to try all of these strains. And obviously, a lot of you will have tried this when it was £8.50 a gram. And I know I've seen a lot of reviews saying that you loved it at £8.50 a gram. Not so many reviews at the £10 a gram, but I think we as patients need to come up with some sort of way how we can get our views across about the prices of medical. There is a very big gap when it comes to the prices. Like, you can get some at £4.50, you can get some at £13, but inevitably the quality is not there on the lower price stuff. Which for me is why I find paying slightly higher price is you get the quality there, for me anyway. Right, I'm not going to keep you for too long on this one. I'm fed up of sniffing off camera and clearing my throat, so we're going to leave that one there. I do just want to say thank you very much for watching the videos. If you keep bouncing back, I appreciate that. Please feel free to give this video a like if you've liked it, of course. a comment if you've got anything to say about the modified gas or the way I sound. And as always, I would love a little subscription. I am trying to get to 500 before the end of the year. I have said on a previous video that I will be doing a giveaway when I get to 500. I've got a desktop vaporizer that I will give away. But until we get to that point or nearer that point, I'm not going to go on too much about it, because this one's not about that. It's about the modified gas. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, click the little bell for notifications, because all the cool YouTubers say that. And we will catch you for another video very soon. As my dear old friend Jerry Springer would say, look after yourselves and each other. And as I always like to say, peace out, Cub Scouts. Keep it real. Oosh.